Hello children, welcome to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids. So dear students, today in this video we are going to take class 2 science period. Okay, the subject is science and today we are going to take the topic. Yes, and what is the name of topic? That is lesson number 6, healthy food. This lesson we are going to start. See student, this is a very interesting lesson. Okay, it will give us the information about the food that we take. Yes, means how we should take care of us in this pandemic, the age of pandemic and the age of corona. Yes, of COVID-19. We should take care of ourselves very properly. Okay, we should have or take the good healthy food. So that we are going to discuss in detail about the healthy food. Okay, so I hope you understood the name of lesson. Healthy food means what kind of food? The food which is good for our health, we can call it as a healthy food. So let us start this lesson. Okay, so see, in this lesson what we are going to learn. So learning checklist. See, number 1, food groups. Number 2, meals in a day. Number 3, healthy eating habits. So these are 3 points we are going to discuss in detail in this lesson number 6, that is the healthy food. Okay, food groups, meals in a day, healthy eating habits. Okay, so see, first is the food groups. So let us see. Yes, we will start this with the let's get started activity. Okay, so see, what is the activity? So see, we get our food from plants and animals. Okay, we get our food obviously from plants and animals. Means some product or some food or some dishes we can make which we can obtain from the products which we get from the plants or by the products which we get from the animals. So what is the activity? See, what you have to do exactly is color the circles green for the atoms that we get from the plants. Yes, it is very easy to keep into mind. See, what is the color of the tree? Generally, many of the 99% trees are in the green color. Okay, or you can say 95%. These absolutely they are in a green color, mostly in India. Okay, and or everywhere. Okay, but in other countries we found some color leaves also, color trees also, or they are having the different colors. Okay, like brownish or yellowish, etc. Okay, so see, generally the color of the leaves are green. Yes, the trees are in green color. So whatever the products or whatever the atoms are there, that we get from the plants, that dishes, in front of that dishes they have given us a circle and that we have to fill with a green color. Okay, and we add red for the atoms that we get from animals, and whatever the atoms we get from animals, in front of the dish or that atom we have to fill the red color in that particular circle. So I hope you understood what you have to do. So let us start this activity. Okay, I am going to help you. Okay, so see, so this is a beautiful picture. Okay, they have given us 6 atoms. Okay, so bread, tomato soup, omelette, chicken, chickpeas and milk. So these are the 6 dishes. So let us discuss one by one. Okay, so let us take bread first. Okay, so bread is in on your screen. Okay, don't take it and don't eat it. Okay, we are going to solve this exercise. Okay children, so see, bread. Now bread we can make from wheat, yes, or from flour. So flour do we get from plant or from animal? Okay, so bread we can prepare or we can make or it is the plant product obviously. So let us circle green. Okay, so in this way you have to use your crayons and you have to solve this activity in your science textbook. Okay, so let us see the next picture. Okay, what is the next picture? Yes, tomato soup. And tomato, from where do we get tomato? Yes, obviously we get the tomatoes from the plants, and from tomatoes we can prepare the soup or we can make the soup. Okay, so let us circle in green color. Okay, so in this way you have to circle the circle. Oh sorry, you have to fill green color in the particular circle. Okay, let us see the next picture. Okay, and this is the picture of omelette, and omelette is prepared by using the eggs. Okay, and egg the eggs can be obtained from the Yes, from the animals. And the products which can be prepared by, or which the products which are the animal products, that we have to fill the color red in the particular circle. So see, okay, it is a animal product. Okay, it is made up from animal product. Okay, let us see the next picture. And the next picture is, yes, it is of chicken. Okay, and it is also a animal product. Okay, so let us circle it in red color, red. Okay, so next, see, what is the next picture? Chickpeas. Okay, chickpeas means chana होता है ना काबुली चना और कोई भी चना. Yes, so that is, so chickpeas is obtained from, yes, we get the chickpeas from plants, and plant products we have to circle in the green color. Sorry, we have to fill in a green color. Okay, we have to fill that circle in a green. Okay, let us move to the next. And what is the next picture? Yes, this is a glass of milk. Okay, they have written, okay, the word milk is there. Okay, and milk we obtain from the animal. Okay, not from the plant. So that's why we have to fill the red color in this circle. Okay, now let us see the next. What is the next? See that the let's get started activity we have completed. Same wise you have to complete this activity. Okay, in your science textbook. Now what is the next part? So see, let us start the lesson. Okay, what is the name of our lesson? Yes, lesson number 6, that is the healthy food. Okay, so let us discuss in detail. We need food to live and grow. Yes, means see, like all living things need food to live and grow. We need energy. Yes, we work, for that we need energy, and energy we get from the food. Yes, whatever the food we have or we take in our body, okay, from that the starch is produced, the glucose is produced, and with the help of that starch and glucose we get energy, and then only we can work, or then only we can live. Yes, or we can grow properly. Yes, so we need food. That is a very important thing. We must eat the right amount of different kinds of food to remain healthy. See students, everybody means we all are eating the food. Yes, but there is a timetable. Okay, there is a perfect time table should be there. Okay, this right amount of different kinds of food. What is the meaning by right amount? Right means perfect, or means we should not. In short, I will tell you in a simple sentence that we should take all kinds of food. हर प्रकार का खाना हमने खाना चाहिए. Okay, right amount of different kinds of food means every day if you select that roti and potatoes vegetable, okay, or ladies finger vegetable, everybody all of you like that two vegetables only. Okay, so if you are going to eat every day that vegetable and chapati, then you are not going to be more healthy. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to eat flour also. Okay, you have to eat like ghee, butter, milk, cheese. Okay, like that also. And what you have to eat again, you have to eat different types of vegetables also in your food. Again, what you have to eat, you have to eat different types of fruits also. Okay, different types of chapatis. Okay, different types of nutritious dishes also you have to take. Okay, like idli, dosha, uttappa, sambar, etc. Okay, again what you have to take in your food, you have to take all the different types of dishes like rice, dal. Okay, all different things are, again sprouts. Okay, so different types of all the items you should eat. Okay, not only one day, but suppose today you select one item, then tomorrow you can select another, and the next day you can select the another. In this way you have to eat the right amount of different kinds of food to remain healthy. Let us learn about the different groups of food. So see, there are different groups of food. Okay, so how you will understand that what type of food you should take in which quantity. Okay, so later there are actually 3 types of food groups. Okay, so let us see in detail. Okay, so food groups. So next topic is on the next heading is food groups. So see the first. Okay, so see, food can be divided into 3 groups. That I have already told you. Yes, food, yes, जो अपना खाना होता है, that can be divided into 3 groups. We should eat from each food groups in the right amount to stay healthy. Okay, so food can be divided into 3 groups. Yes, so see, means now you will understand. So from we should eat from each food groups in the right amount to stay healthy. Means whatever the food you are taking, you have to, now you will come to know that whatever the food you are taking, that is belonging from one group, or that is belonging or from three groups you are taking, so that you will come to know. So one by one we are going to discuss the food groups. So from each food group we have to select the dishes or food items, okay, for remaining healthy. Okay, now let us study more about these food groups. So see, the first, energy giving food. The first food group is energy giving food. So see, picture is given here, so you can see these are the dishes or items which are present in the particular tray. Okay, so these are energy giving food, means some food that give us energy. So see in detail. Okay, so see what is food items. Okay, food items like rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, oil give us energy to work and play. Food items like rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, oil, okay, that gives us energy to work and play. If we are going to take these foods, okay, we are going to have these foods in our meal, then we will get energy to work and play. These food items are called energy giving food. Why? Because this food, if we will have this food in a food item in our meal, then we will get energy by taking this food. That's why the name of the group is energy giving food. So what are the items? Once again I will repeat: rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter and oil. So by eating these such type of foods we get the energy. So let us see the next food group. And the next food group is bodybuilding food. So why the name is bodybuilding food group? So see, okay, so see, food items like milk, fish, meat, eggs, pulses, green peas, chicken help us to grow. If we take such type of dishes, okay, then these food items help us to grow properly. Okay, they make our bones and muscles strong. What they help us? They make our bones and muscles strong, and these food items are called bodybuilding food. Okay, so they make our bones and muscles strong. That's why they are making our body, they are helping our body to grow well. That's why this food group is named like a bodybuilding food. See the picture. Okay, I hope you understood the second group also. This is the second group of food. Okay, let us see the third group of food. Okay, so what is the third group? Yes, so see, okay, so this is the third group. Okay, so I already told you that there are three groups, okay, food groups. First is the energy giving food, second is the bodybuilding food, and third one is the protective food. Obviously in the name there is a word protect. In the protective food there is a one word protect, means obviously this whatever the dishes or the items present in this group, it helps us or it gives us protection from the diseases or illness or sickness. Yes, so see, food items like fruits and vegetables. See the picture, they have given us a picture. Okay, in that they have they put the different types of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so you have to observe the picture also, and you have to listen it carefully also. Okay, food items like fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. Okay, fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. They are called protective food. That's why your teacher, your elders and your parents always tell you to eat all the vegetables, to finish your veg, yes, or to have all the different kinds of fruits. Okay, so see students, we have different seasons. Okay, so in this season we get different kinds of fruits and vegetables also. So whatever the fruits and vegetables you get in that particular season, you have to take that particular fruit or vegetable, because it has its own significance. Significance means importance, because they are very very important for our body. Okay, they give us energy also, they protect us also, and they help us like a medicine also. So if we are fit and fine and healthy, then nothing will harm us, like any disease cannot harm our body, okay, or for us. Okay, so see, food items like fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. They are called protective food. Obviously it helps us, it gives us protection. That's why this food group is called as protective food. Besides food, Our body also needs water. Yes, water is also important. We should drink plenty of water to stay healthy. So see, your parents and your teachers always guide you to drink lot of water. So water is also important for our body, okay, for living healthy. Okay, so let us see the next part. So see, science in context, one para is given there, okay, or one box is there, or one column we can say. Science in context, what they have given us in this. So see, we should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses of water we have to take? We have to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. So dear students, from today what you have to do? You have to count how many glasses you are taking, okay, from morning, okay, to the next morning, okay. So or at till night you can count, okay, left the night part, okay. So see, from morning when you wake up and when you are going to sleep, that time you have to count how many glasses of water you are taking. If you are taking 8 or more than 8, then it's a good thing. But if you are taking less water or the less glasses of water, then you have to increase, okay, the glass of water to take, okay. So let us see the next part. Okay, now see, the last column is there, revise and recall. Okay, this is not the last column, but today's video, okay. So this is the last part of this video or this period. So see, match the following, revise and recall. So whatever we learn, so we learn that there are 3 groups. Obviously, one is the energy giving, second one is the bodybuilding, and third one is the protective food. So they have given us 3 dishes or 3 items, and we have to find out that from which group they belong. So let us take the exercise. First of all, I will read the columns A and B. Honey. A, honey. B, meat. C, fruits. Okay, and on the right hand side they have given us number 1, bodybuilding food, number 2, okay, protective food, okay, number 3, energy giving food. So let us match. Honey. Honey belongs to which group? Yes, from honey what do we get? Yes, we get the energy, and honey, it comes in the energy giving food. So you have to learn all these things. You have to learn all the dishes, okay, which comes in that particular group. And meat, it is obviously bodybuilding food, okay. And the last remain fruits, okay, it protect us from the diseases, so it is a protective food, okay. So in this way you have to match these pairs, okay. Students, I hope you understood whatever I taught you in this period, okay. So what is your duty now? You have to read the lesson, okay, up to this part. Whatever I taught you up to this part, you have to read the lesson carefully. You have to learn the 3 groups, okay, and in these 3 groups what are the dishes or items present in each group, you have to learn with examples, okay students. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye students, have a nice day, okay.